Ino kone tatungere runguro kithomo na undondori boreti Aritwa muno ba university barabaine ithuganio MIRANDI reyomba gutetheria kirego kuria uchumi bwa Kenya guchwa KURINGWA NJEKI ne THIRIKARI kende ithuganio rio nendere kurana gutweka kiguni kirebo na nthiguru yonthe baruga baingi ba Aritwa baibethera bakiyerwa mathuganio ni antu itonga barabati etheka bonka na kunende ibati kugarukira THIRIKARI kende yomba kwithira ibatethakia.
To improve access to science, technology, engineering and technology programs, higher education has targeted to increase enrollment in set-related courses from 20% of total students to 60%. Even though the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service reviews university placement criteria yearly, they are not specifically placing students, as placement is based on students' choice, their qualifications and availability of space. All the same, development of criteria for placing students from alternative pathways to government-sponsored programs is ongoing. And at this juncture, I think I also need to tell you that very soon, I think the President will be launching the Open University of Kenya. And this will be very important because we have students who over the years did not meet the qualifications, and so they were not admitted in the universities. This university will be open very flexibly for them. We also have students who might have pursued diploma courses or certificates and wish to acquire a higher education. So again, this opportunity will be there, and we are seeing this space as a space for enhancing technology, not only for that university, but for all other universities, so that all together we are really a hub for knowledge generation and for digital innovation.
It's unfortunate that as a country, sorry as the PS, I'm talking a bit tough on this, as a country we do not have money put aside for postgraduate research. Universities world over. As a professor, I basically dream. But the implementation, just like the Bible says, is actually done by the students. And so we need to have some strategic ways in which we can put money also for postgraduate, for research. And I think with your leadership, what we have seen the last almost 6 months you have been there, I think we'll support this.
Above all this is climate change, which we work on a daily basis, which poses existential threats, not only to the survival of humanity, but also to ecosystems and the health of the planet upon which all organisms, including us, plants and animals, derive their livelihoods. And that is why I'm here today, and the reason for joining the partnership for this conference. Goal 13 of the SDGs seeks to combat climate change and all its impacts. The impacts we can feel everywhere we see, everyone can feel it. We can observe it and confront it every day. Dedicated to the reflections of the implementation of the Paris Agreement, which was adopted in the same period with the Agenda 2030. Across the border, world leaders, including our own, President William Ruto, was attending the summit for a new global financing pact.